Welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. So the other time I made a video about how a lady can change her status from being a single searching lady to a beautiful married woman. In the video I discussed the causes of delayed marriage for women and the solutions, everything they have to do in order to get the right man. I discussed in the video. So as the video was trending, my male fans began to ask me questions that what can they do, because they are also having the same problem. They are finding it difficult to get the right woman. They are finding it difficult to get a marriageable woman to settle down with. So I decided to make a video for them as well, so that we can also sort them out about this issue and we'll be able to strike a balance. So in this video I am going to be discussing the reasons why men are still single and what they can do to get a wife. Yes, how to get a wife, where to get a wife, how everything that you need to do to get the right woman for yourself is what I'm going to be discussing in this video. So if you have not seen my video on why ladies are still single and how to get the right man, how to get the right husband, how to change your status from being a single lady to a married woman, you need to see that video because it is really inspiring and very educative. So to see the video, just click the link in the comment box down below. Make sure you watch that video, make sure you share it with your friends, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to do that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends, and also make sure that you turn on the notification. So guys, you would agree with me that we have a lot of men out there who are very ready. They desire so much to get married. They want a good wife, but they are finding it really difficult to get married. Mommy is complaining. Mommy wants to get her grandchildren. Daddy wants to get grandchildren. Sisters, brothers, everyone is looking up to them like, guy, what's going on? But they are finding it so difficult to get the right woman. They are finding it so difficult. It's proving really difficult. It's looking as if it's one very big deal to get a wife. So in this video, guys, you are going to get the solution. You are going to get everything that you need to do, all that you need to do to get the right woman for yourself. So guys, the first thing that you need to do in order to get the right woman for yourself is that you have to first of all believe in yourself. Yes, self-belief, self-esteem is really important. It might sound funny to you, but it is actually true. There are a lot of men out there that are finding it difficult to walk up to a woman and ask a woman out. I know what I'm saying though. I have seen men who are good looking, who are handsome. They look bold, like they look like they are Mr. Confident, like they are the most confident person in the whole world. Yes, they're actually confident. They control their staffs in their work. They control people. They can coordinate. They are okay. They are sound. They are bold. They are confident. But my dear, when it gets to someone that they love, when they want to approach a sister that they love, they become the weakest man. Like, I know what I'm saying. They will not be able to go out of their shell. Their confidence will just go down. They will not know how to approach the lady they like, the lady they love. There are a lot of men out there. So you have to believe in yourself. Yes, it's good. You are weak for the woman, or what do they call it? I don't know, but whatever. You just have to talk to her. If you didn't talk to her, there's no way she would know that you love her. And there's one secret I would like to tell you guys. See, no woman will like such a man. That's the secret. No woman will like such a man, like a man that is even feeling timid to approach you. As in, I can't imagine. The man is feeling so timid. There are some guys that they will be sending people to go and toast a girl, to go and ask a lady out for them. Like, you don't get it. There are some men like that too. They are in two categories. Some some are proud. Some is a result of pride. Like they're like, chairman now. Chairman will sit down in one corner and we now send one of his boys to go and talk to a lady, and that one is a story for another day. But this other set of men that are timid, they can't talk to ladies. I've seen men that send their younger sisters to go and woo ladies for them. I've seen men that are sending their friends and stuff like that. Most ladies don't like it. So if you like a lady, walk up to her, And if you like a lady, walk up to her and tell her, complete the lyrics. So what I'm trying to say is that you have to believe in yourself. Please don't be timid. Stop being timid. If you like a lady, walk up to her. Yes, and tell her that you love her. You're the man. You're a man. So if you're so timid that you can't even approach her, how are you going to be how are you going to coordinate the relationship? Because whether you like it or not, the man is the head. So you don't have to be timid. Don't be weak for ladies. Don't be weak for ladies. Ladies don't like it. Ladies don't like it. Yeah, it's not as if you should be tough. I'm not saying you should be tough, but be assertive. Stand on your ground. Be assertive. Be able to come out and talk. Be bold. Don't say because you love a lady, now you're now a weak person, and then you're doing like something. I mean, another thing that you have to do is to have objectives. Yeah, you must have your objectives. They commonly call it you must have a taste or you must have a choice. You must have certain things that you're looking for in a woman. So if you have that, that will streamline your search. I don't know if you understand me. So you must have objectives. You must know, okay, I want a slim lady, I want her tall, I want her medium, I want her chocolate, I want her dark, I want an academic, I want someone in the earth line, I want someone that trades, I want a makeup artist, I want a mass communicator, I want a technician. You know, you must just have an objective. You must have a kind of woman that you're looking out for. Not that you just are the fine wife, are the fine wife, are the fine wife. It doesn't happen that way, because that way you just be picking and dropping. You'll be picking and dropping because you. So if you don't have an objective, you just notice that you will not be getting satisfaction in relationships, and you will just be walking out of relationships like you're passing on the streets, because the things that you love naturally in a woman are not in the lady that you're with. But if you have an objective, that's what you'll be looking out for. Once you see a lady that is a fat lady and you want a slim lady, you know you will not even go there. If you see a slim lady and you want a robust lady, you will not even go there. But if you don't have objective, you just they fine wife. You just this girl's face is not bad. You go there. Once you get there, you don't like her attitude, you don't like the kind of job she does, she's not outspoken or she's too outspoken. You know, you will just be getting more confused and you'll be getting things more complicated. So you must have your objectives, and that is what you'll be looking out for. So you'll be going to places where you find ladies that fall in the line of your objective. You know, you want a lady that is that goes to church, a Christian, a worker. Then you'll be going to church well. You want a lady that is outspoken, a lady that is outspoken, that is technical, a lady that is sound. You will see such ladies in places that you go to. You go to places where you can find such ladies. So another thing you have to do is that you must be prepared yourself. You must have a stable life to some extent. I am not saying that everything should be perfect, everything should be ready, but to some extent you must have a stable life. You must be prepared. You must build a kingdom for the lady. You know, you can't just be you just there. You are still, you're still hustling. Yes, everyone is still hustling. No, that one is not funny. That one is common. But then you must be settled to some extent. Yeah, at least to be able to cater for yourself and one or two more people by the time the lady also comes and joins you, because I don't advise that a lady just come without nothing. The lady joins you, and by the time you put the two together, it will be able to sort you guys. You must be assertive with ladies. Be assertive. Yeah, don't be violent. Don't be violent. Don't be tough. Be soft, but be assertive. That is what ladies want. They don't want you violent. They don't want you tough. They don't want you shouty. They don't want you petty. But they want assertive men. So be assertive. Yeah. So guys, another very important thing is that you must not be bossy. Yes, ladies don't like bossy men. Don't be bossy. As much as ladies like assertive men, we want our men to be assertive, but we don't want you bossy. You don't have to be bossing me around because you're my boyfriend or you're my fiance. You've not even married me and you're bossing me around. Where are you going? Where are you coming from? Why are you wearing that? Why didn't you come to my house? Why all those stuff. You don't have to boss around. You don't have to boss your lady around, or else they will flee from you. So don't be bossy. Ladies don't like bossy men at all. At all. You should look out for mature ladies. Yes, don't go for very small girls. Like, let me give you an instance. You're working already and you're looking at getting married in this year or next year, or let me say in the next 2-3 years you want to get married, and you're going out for a girl who is just entering 100 or 200 level or a 200 level girl. Like, many girls are not ready to get married while in school. A lot of ladies are not ready to get married. Some want it, but let me say about 5 to 10% of ladies want to get married while they are still in school. But most ladies don't want it. So if you're ready to marry, if you're ready to get married, you don't have to go for small girls. They are not matured yet. In fact, so also, guys, you must not show desperation. Yes, do not show desperation. Don't let girls know that you're desperate. Like, you're desperate, you want to get married, you want to do everything to get a girl, you want to do don't show desperation. Yes, you know you're desperate. You get to some stages in life that you know you're desperate, like you're actually desperate, but you just have to be calm. Don't show desperation, because once you show desperation, the lady might not get the true situation of things. She might be feeling that you're just desperate, you just want to get married, that's why you're showing affection and all. So don't show desperation, just be yourself. Just be true to yourself. You don't have to show desperation. You don't have to be desperate, because definitely there is a woman for every man and there is a man for every woman, and definitely you're going to get yours. So you don't have to be desperate. You don't have to show desperation, so that ladies will take you serious. Okay? Now, another thing I would say is that you should not make material things the bedrock of your love. Yes, don't let material things be the bedrock of your love. I'm not saying you should not give in. In fact, there's no love without giving, because Jesus Christ also gave himself to us to show us that he loves us. Yes, so giving is a very important part of loving. But then you must not make giving the bedrock of your relationship with a lady, because if you do that, you will not even know the reality of things. You will be shocked if you later know that it is what the lady is getting from you that she needs. She doesn't even love you. So you have to be very careful. There are a lot of men that are falling victim of this kind of situation. They just give and give and give, and at the end of everything, they will just notice that the lady that they have spent all their year serving is actually in love with another man. So you should be careful not to base your love on material things. I'm not saying you should not give. Giving is really good in relationship, but then you have to do it carefully. Another very, very important thing is that you must not be too choosy. Yes, I said earlier that you must have your objectives, you must have your choice, you must have your taste, but then you should not stay there waiting for an 100% lady. There's no 100% lady anywhere. I know a lot of people already have a mental picture of the kind of spouse that they want in their head, but let me shock you, there's no way you will get the direct person that will fit into your mental picture that you have drawn. It is not possible. You can't get an 100% perfect woman. You will still have maybe like 20%, 15% that you would have to work on in a woman or in a man. So if you stay in that corner waiting for an 100% man or woman, guy, you're going to be there. So please, once you get a woman that is up to like 15, like that is up to like 75, 80, 90% of the woman that you want, you could always work on getting it completed by yourselves when you come together. So also, it is very important, brother, that you forget the past. I know that you've been through a lot. I know that you've been broken. I know that you've been disappointed. You've invested so much in relationships and it ended up not yielding. It ended up not ending well. I know. But then you just have to forget the past, because the fact is, if you say you're not going to have anything to do with ladies again, are you going to marry a man? So don't treat your new woman badly because your previous lady treated you badly. Don't say because you were soft, you were caring, you were affectionate with the previous lady and she misused the opportunity, and so you would be tough on your new lady. The lady will leave you. So please, don't treat your new woman badly because your previous woman treated you badly. You have to forget your past. Forget the past. If you love a woman, show it. I've heard men say, if I love another woman now, I will not show it. So, brother, the biggest and the most important thing that you have to do is to pray. Yeah. You have to pray and pray and pray again about everything, not just marital issues. But because we are discussing marital issues now, you should know that some people believe, what's there to pray about? I just go out. I just look out to the best girl. I have my choice. I have my taste. I have my objectives. I know the kind of lady I want. So I just go and get her. But why is it now not working now? Because, you just have to pray about everything. Anything that you do without God is nothing. And everything that you do with God is everything. So please, make sure you pray so that you get direction. The Bible says that as many as are led by the Spirit of God, they are the sons of God. So make sure that the Spirit of God lead you towards choosing the right person. If he leads you, I bet it, you are not going to have a problem, because he's going to choose it for you the right way. If you're able to practice all these things that I've listed here, I bet you're going to get the right woman for yourself. You're going to get a good wife material, and God is going to lead you to your right woman. So please make sure you put them into practice. Pray, 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 and pray, because prayer is the key to everything. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe now. Like this video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Share this video with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe. Love you, and thank you for watching to the end. Have a great day. Bye.